Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 55 of Run the Year 2021, where we're going to post every day for this year and get at least 2,021 miles. So that's what we're doing. Also, welcome all of our new viewers and subscribers to the channel. This is where, again, it's all about positivity. It's all about inspiration. It's all about getting up and moving your body, and that's what I want you guys to go do. So today we're going to follow up with what we left out yesterday, talking about rolling your foot for plantar fasciitis and kind of looking upstream and downstream of the injury. So yesterday we talked about stretching the calves and tight calves. Today we're going to talk about those hips, the glute medius, right? That's something where one side is weaker than the other, those glutes. And I know you're probably doing squats and deadlifts, but that's not necessarily going to do it, because when you do it, remember, you're using both at the same time. So you can, our body is tricky like that. It can mask or do something on one side better than the other. So this way, doing these drills, these exercises, you can actually strengthen that weak side. So this is what it looks like. You can see there that, hold on to the wall, take that hip and drive it to the wall. Relax that hip, let it come out, drive it back to the wall. And again, do that several times a day. I'll tell you, it's done wonders for me, because again, I run a lot, work out a lot, and always had some type of challenge. So that worked for me. So again, appreciate you. If this was a help to you, if you got some value out of it, go ahead and hit that like button down below, and invest in yourself. And if it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Okay, we'll talk to you tomorrow for the third thing.